I'm talking about examples in our moving towards quant finance. There is this small assignment that I want to talk about. So this assignment talks about percentile and histogram. If you're using this first time, I have talked about how to link R and Excel. But I'm going to talk about the percentile formula, how do we use that, how do we divide that, and how do we get the percentile formula. That this might be useful in value at risk. Let me write it for you, value at risk. The other thing that would be useful to you would be creating bins and histogram. How did we do that in Excel? So if you remember, we did this using count if s. So this was our way of doing it in Excel. Now what we're going to do in at R is we are now going to look at that. So I'm moving to some of the pages here. I'll start with something new. So this is a topic called histogram in R. I have saved this link here. It's the third link. Now histogram in R, you need to first take a normal distribution and get it into a variable. When you take some mean and 0, you get a standard distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. And if you count these in various bins, these are the numbers that you get, and this is based on that formula that 90% of the values lie between two standard deviation, and so on. So when you just write hist x, you will get the historical chart. If you want to know what is hist, question mark hist, and you will get to this page. If you write hist x and breaks equal to 5, you can break down the histogram into 5. If you want to give the bins, like you want to give the bins here, that it should be from -3 to +3, you can create this bins. So you are creating a sequence. Sequence is same as I'm using the MATLAB framework here, where you can create equidistant item. Then you says breaks equal to bin, and this is how you can do. If you want to add some more complexity, you can add here. Now contrary to this, if you want to do this in some more stylish way, you can do that. So you can create the bins. Now for the other part, percentile part, you can create those percentiles. I'm going to go to this link. Okay, I also made this into R, so let me go back and talk about that. So first I created a distribution here, 100 and mean 0 standard deviation, and this is how it looked like. If I would count this by length, it will give me 100. Hist x would give me a histogram. This would give me a server. Break equal to 5, break equal to 10. This is one way to look at to break those things. Or I can write a sequence, or I can create this sequence here, and breaks equal to bin. If I do that, I can do that. Now this did not work well. What I was trying to do here was to create that complex chart with all those qualities. Then we have some inbuilt database here, which I was doing, set.c x normal. And now I tried here to check quantile formula. So whatever quantile you want to take, you can just give the quantiles. So you want 0.25% or 99%. If I change this to 0.01, I got a very negative value in this distribution. And this is same as like so some values are below this range. So here it was like 25 percentile, 99 percentile. If you look at this number, this normal distribution, so you have 99% which are below 2 standard deviation. If you try to link this with the bell-shaped curve, you can find that out. So that was quantile, and this was about the bin chart that I tried it out. This was about my small R video. Thank you for listening.